up, cause you know they really fly. Still hit the switch, red light, yellow, I'm on gold now. Hey, welcome back to my channel, Blinks by Liz. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these cute sunflower shoe charms. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you don't follow me on social media, go ahead and find me there, Blinks by Liz. I will be posting content and all types of updates. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things up on our supplies list is resin glue. I purchased this from Amazon and I will definitely attach the link in my description. Be sure to check that out, but you don't have to buy the same one. Next up on the list, you do want to purchase you some charm backs. These are black that I purchased. I do have clear ones. They may come in other colors, but I purchased black for this particular project. And you'll also need your resin charms. Lastly, I also recommend to get a UV lamp. It's not mandatory because the resin glue will still cure without the lamp, but it's just a faster cure with the lamp. First thing on our to-do list, we want to take all of our charms and flip them on their backs. This is so that you can place your resin glue and also your charm backs. So you want to take your resin glue and only apply literally just a drop. This particular glue, a lot can come out if you let it. So be aware of how much you are dropping. We just want a drop. As you can see, I'm placing a drop on each and every one. You don't have to do it this way. You can move in smaller sections if you would like. Every time that I purchase any type of charms or flat back stones, they always give me these tweezers. So if you have a pair of tweezers, you can do it this way, or if you prefer to do it with your hand, you just want to be taking your charm backs and applying them to the back of the charms with the glue. And as you can see, the tweezers for me is just a little bit easier because I had acrylic nails and it's harder to work that way. I don't know how people do it because I have the hardest time. Nonetheless, the job has to get done. I can still get my backs added to the charms because I am Lizzie Unstoppable, as my mom calls me. But go ahead and add your charm backs on and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so we have our backs added. If you do have a UV lamp and you also purchase the glue that I have, it only takes 4 minutes. Go ahead and apply the lamp for 4 minutes and your charms are done. See, look how cute those are. So handy, and you can add these to your charms. Your Crocs are going to look so different than everyone else's because nobody else has the charms unless you sell them. And that will be a great side hustle as well, just a side note. But they are so cute. Here they are, added to a pair of bling Crocs I was working on. Like this video, share with a friend or family that's in the crafting industry. Lastly, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you can catch the latest drop, which will be a tutorial for those bling Crocs you just saw. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Crocs bling and hit me up, cause you know they really fly. Still hit the switch, red light, yellow, I'm on gold now.